Greetings from RetailFix. I'm Brian Calkins, CEO and founder. We're back here on Chestnut Street where we started our RetailFix journey, and I'm proud to introduce yet another video showing what the app and platform can do for local brick and mortar shopping. We hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to find out more, go to retailfix.com where you'll find contact information and our social media presence. Thank you.
This video provides an overview of how a consumer uses the RetailFix app to power a new digital-first brick-and-mortar shopping experience, where consumers can plan a shopping trip from their own home and then use the app again during the trip. The central feature of RetailFix is that each store has its own feed of posts, like the one we are showing here for the beautiful Kenlin Women's Apparel Boutique on Union Street in San Francisco. The store feeds like this one for Kenlin are generated by store team members to inform consumers of new products and brands, and to provide other key messages like new merchandise deliveries, extended store hours for holiday shopping, announcement of a store-wide sale, or even the introduction of a new team member to the store's community. Let's take a look at a second store feed for Benefit, a beauty retailer on Chestnut Street in San Francisco. These feeds are designed to be an easy and fun experience for the consumer and to create a platform for every store to engage in the social media storytelling that has revolutionized marketing and advertising. RetailFix brings this powerful capability to stores directly, creating a dramatic new local advertising model designed to increase store foot traffic and sales, and also to build more meaningful relationships between store team members and consumers. The core RetailFix design allows the consumer to easily see which local stores are participating on the RetailFix platform, and get store feeds showing what's new and exciting at each store. Geolocation powers this All Local Stores feature, which allows consumers to see all the shops around them, wherever they are. Our beta market shown here represents a local shopping district in San Francisco on 3 streets: Union, Fillmore, and Chestnut. The mix of stores is boutique, service-oriented outlets like hair salons and local hardware stores, and regional store chains. The RetailFix solution works for any type of store in any product category, including restaurants, bars, and clubs, and stores offering any type of local services. Let's go back to the store feed and take a closer look, using the feed from West Coast Leather, an apparel store on Union Street in San Francisco. There are 2 types of posts: message posts and product posts. A message post is shown at the top of the West Coast Leather feed. We're set up for fall shopping, come on in. A message post is not product specific, it's just a way to convey a simple message to people who are interested in what's going on at the store. Every post shows the identity of the store team member who created it, in this case, Vanessa Wersler. Additionally, every message post is date stamped, so the consumer can see how recent the message is. Message posts can have up to 4 images to boost visual storytelling. As we further scroll the West Coast Leather feed, we see that Vanessa has also posted a product post of a jacket called the One Button Blazer. A product post is more detailed and specific because it is essentially a local ad featuring a particular product. It has a short, compelling description, the product name, and pricing information. Product posts can also have multiple images. For each product post, the small information icon shown is the button that allows consumers to click open the e-commerce product page to quickly learn more about the product. Of course, a consumer could also buy the product online right at that moment, so RetailFix can help the store's online sales channel as well. A key feature for RetailFix is a powerful way to use QR codes, where each code is unique to each store. By scanning the QR code display while visiting a particular store, like the Joybird Home Store on Chestnut Street in San Francisco, the store feed is immediately made available for consumers to review while shopping, and also check on later to plan more visits. These consumers could already be repeat customers, new customers, or casual browsers. For all these examples, customer engagement and relationship building kicks off in an entirely new way. Once the consumer has created an account, she can save favorite stores using the Add Store function at the top right. Let's log into an existing account to see this feature. We see that 3 stores, the West Coast Leather Apparel Store, the Benefit Beauty Store, and the Luke's Local grocery store have already been saved by this consumer. We now click on Add Store at the top right, and let's scroll down to add the Kenlin Apparel Store. Once added, that store is added to a short and manageable list of favorites. Let's click on the Kenlin store to see its beautiful store feed. We now show that consumers can find more stores by typing in a store's name, with a nice auto-complete text entry feature that quickly tells them if that store has a location nearby. A search for Sephora shows a positive result, and this can be saved to My Stores. A second approach on this screen is to use the Geolocation tab to see participating stores on a map. By quickly tapping on each store pin, a consumer can decide whether or not to save each store as a favorite to My Stores. We've already covered the QR code mode of discovering new stores and saving them as favorites. Each store will have an in-store QR code display, which makes it easy for anybody who walks in to add the store as a favorite right on the spot. The stores saved to My Stores allows for repeated check-ins tomorrow, next week, next month, or the next time the consumer visits the shopping district. This powers a key performance metric for RetailFix. It is designed to give consumers much more information from their favorite stores on a much more frequent basis. Just like my stores shown here, the My Brands feature allows consumers to choose what is presented to them by selecting favorite brands. We show a consumer's user account where 5 favorite brands have been saved to My Brands, from micro brands like Brooklyn Candle to a large national brand like Levi's. Americans love brands, and the opt-in ability to select favorite brands of interest is a key feature of the new RetailFix local shopping experience. Once favorite brands are saved to My Brands, the consumer can see what's new with their favorite brands across multiple stores. We can show a simple example here by using the Add Brand feature at the top right and adding the cosmetics brand Bobbi Brown. The RetailFix brand feed for Bobbi Brown shows store posts from both Sephora on Union Street and Blue Mercury on Chestnut Street for this local San Francisco shopper. Consumers will love RetailFix for this feature. They can look at updates and promotions for a particular brand across stores, a feature previously unavailable in the market. The following feature on the RetailFix app is another feature designed for consumers to help them get to know the store team members at their favorite stores. The stores who have already embraced RetailFix love this feature. It is a top priority and a passionate goal for them to build wonderful relationships with both repeat customers and new visitors to their store. This simple following interface works across all stores. Another nice feature for consumers is the Saved Posts feature. Consumers in the early testing of RetailFix love using this feature while lounging comfortably at home to plan their next shopping trip. This feature is a great example that shows how RetailFix is a delight for consumers when used both at home and in stores. This concludes our video showing how RetailFix is finally delivering an important digital-first solution that allows consumers to plan and enjoy local shopping in an entirely new way. It also provides a big opportunity for much deeper relationships and engagement between consumers and their favorite stores and brands. Thank you for your interest. We would love to hear from you.